Excuse me. All right, so we've got this iPhone 8. You guys see that? iPhone 8 here, and it's got no image. It is on. I don't know if you can hear this, but so that's the home button clicking. All right. So it went to another shop, and I guess they plugged in another screen. And that didn't do anything. So I didn't look yet to ensure if it is image or backlight. But I will as soon as I unplug the battery. I'll plug it back in, and then I'll just see if I have backlight or image. Okay. Unplug the battery, plug it back in. And then I plug the phone in. Clean the middle of the screen here a little bit. Just be totally sure. Looks like I got an image problem. So first thing I'll do is naturally try one of my screens, just to rule out a parts problem. Okay. Let me get the screen. Let's see what I got broken here. Otherwise, I have to go out. Oh, I got a broken 8 here. Okay. Let's just try this. Looks like nothing. All right. So okay. This is a replacement screen that's on here. It's not the original screen. I don't think. Well, I mean, it's put together wrong if it is, but looks like an original screen. Weird. Oh, I see. And he's only got... No, he's got all the... I don't know. Okay, and okay. Now, let's see. Nope. Don't want to lose anyone's information. Okay, so iPhone 8, no image. Oh, let me get the microscope on. Oh, what am I doing? Okay, gotta plug the microscope in. I haven't plugged it in yet. Hopefully I don't have to restart OBS. Because that would mean that, okay, there we go. All right, good stuff. So let us, or let me rather, okay. I can see the problem already. Boom. Actually couldn't see the backlight, I suppose, but there's the problem. If you guys can see it, that's the bad resistor right there. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and get that baby out of there. A little bit of flux. JBC. Now with this, I do lift the shield a little bit. Just for this. It's like one of the very few repairs that I do. Oh boy, knock that other guy off me. Making a little bit of a boo-boos in there. Just because I'm doing stuff after I put the flux and I realized. Anyways, we'll get it out. Everybody will be happy. Okay, there it is. Let's get a replacement. Okay, we'll just take any one of these here. Okay, that's the one I'm going to take. Bring it over here. Okay. Now, have everybody up in some flux there. Clean up my razor blade. There we go. Okay, looks like everybody's happy again. Okay, now what we're going to do is pop it back into the housing. Okay. So now you know if you have an iPhone 8 or 8 Plus with no image, okay, check down there for physical damage to those resistors. Those resistors have a habit of blowing. So let's just bring you guys up. You guys can see a little bit better. Okay, and plug it in and see if we get an image. Oh, getting nothing. Still nothing. Okay, now we'll check with a new screen. Or at least this one, which I hope showed an image at one time before. I mean, since I hope it will now. Okay, so we're getting nothing here. Oh, there we go. Okay, so there's the image. Okay, so this screen is also pooched. Okay, so there you go. And that's it for this video, I guess. I'll put this phone back together. You can see it. Oh, I'm gonna unplug it because that screen entered as passcode Okay, so thanks guys, and hope you enjoyed. Please drop me a like and hit subscribe if you made it this far, which maybe you did. It's only 15 minutes, so thanks.